Hey guys, sorry for bad lighting, but whatever. So today I'm going to do some slimes, not all my slimes, like some slimes. So yeah, let's start. I got this number. First, I have this like crunchy slime, but like, it dried out, so yeah. Next, hold on, let me sit down. I have this like really cool like it's like a glossy slime, but like really like I didn't use nothing to make it. I just made normal slime and added a lot of scent. Next I have this one, which it's a clear slime. So, but this one's like really clear. Okay, now I have foam, which is so nice. Look. Oh, it's really stretchy, but like. Hold up. Yeah. Next I have orange cream cheese design, which is like a sweet slime, and it smells like sunscreen because I added sunscreen to make it softer. So yeah, it's a little hard. But then it got really sticky like this. Next I have this one, which is really weird because it's fluffy but glossy. So yeah, that's why I really like this one. And it has a smell of Stormy Nights, which is sad. This one is a normal slime. Or I think fluffy, I'm not sure. And it has sequins and it has floral flowers. Don't know what floral flowers is. And this stuff, that to me, it smells like fish. It's really soft. It's like really crummy. Yeah. Next I have glossy slime, which is cool because I left it outside. So yeah. Sorry not this one, but yeah guys, I just can't have time. This one's fluffy slime, which was like whoa, there's like a lot of pink at the bottom. It was called candy. But then the blue mixed into pink, so then it just got like purple. So it's called cotton candy. So yeah guys, it was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.